This is probably the easiest way to add a subscribe button like this one to your videos. The first step you need to take is to go on Google and look up Flixier. Go to the first link and then click on Get Started. Here you'll be presented with a number of options. In case the video is saved to your device, all you need to do is click here and upload your video. Of course, your video can also be uploaded from Google Drive, Google Photos, or you can use the link option to upload it from YouTube. For this tutorial, we'll use a stock video. Flixier gives you access to a huge amount of stock footage that you can use in your videos without having any copyright problems. We're going to use this one. We'll drag it down to the timeline and then we'll go over to the Motion tab. Here we have a number of different options that we can use for our subscribe button. Let's say that we want to use this one. We'll drag it down to the timeline and play our video. We'll select this animation on the timeline and then we can move it anywhere on screen. Of course, we can also make it bigger or smaller depending on our preferences. The most interesting thing about Flixier is that you can edit these buttons. If you click on Edit Animation, you can modify the text that pops up on your subscribe button, or you can click these buttons to modify their color, for example. On top of that, there's also more complex templates in this library. For example, there's this one which allows you to add the name of your channel. We can modify the number of views here or even add a subscriber count. Even more, these buttons can all be customized. When you're done editing your button, all you need to do is click on Save Animation. If you want to encourage your subscribers to follow you on other social media, you can, for example, add an Instagram follow button to your video. Of course, this animation can also be customized. We'll add the name of our Instagram account here and our Instagram handle here. This way you can encourage your subscribers to follow you on Instagram as well. When you're done, all you have to do is click on Export. In case you feel like this animation isn't very sharp, don't worry. This is just the preview mode. After you export the video, it will look something like this. Finally, all you have left to do is export your video, and in less than 3 minutes your video will be ready. You can also connect your various social media accounts, and this way you'll be able to upload the video you're editing with Flixier directly to your YouTube or other social media networks. If you found this video helpful, you can also check out our video on how to make an intro or outro for your YouTube videos. Good luck!